the head of the Access Health Digital. So basically, first of all, I would like to ask you, the government IT systems have been working in silos. So, I mean, what can be done to make it better? I mean, what are your views on the same?
Sure. So this has been an issue for a very long time. All the vertical programs in the government, so the IT systems were created at different points in time. They don't talk to each other. Same is the story in the private sector. But what the government now has done and has been doing over the years, just that all that effort is reaching a tipping point, is the National Digital Health Blueprint which has come out, and it carries all the standards that were done in the past. So the metadata data standards for health, it's called as MDDS, and the EHR standards, and many other things that have been done in the past. Now all that is being bundled together, and NDHB puts an architecture on top of it to integrate all these different pieces, all these vertical programs that they don't talk to each other. So they can be now stitched together using a common framework, common set of standards, and that is what NDHB gives you. So the government has done its bit as far as putting all of this together. So it's a single piece that comes together. Now it's for the industry to step up and adopt it, because the vendors will have to build it into their systems for the public health as well as for the private healthcare.
So, considering that you've been so closely related with NDHP and you've known the initiatives that they've been taking, so in terms of imbibing it, what all initiatives do you think that we should include in our ecosystem to make it better?
Sure. So, as Access Health Digital, now we have started running an accelerator program where we invited the vendors to come and work with us to adopt the standards. And from our side, we took the standards and built building blocks, as we call it. These are very easy to implement, e-objects and microservices that these vendors will implement in their systems, and then they will be compliant to the standards and ready to go to the market. So Access Health Digital has taken that one step. It's like, seeding the crystal to start the crystallization process. So this is the first crystal we put into the, sort of a bowl, and hoping that the crystallization starts around it. So that's what we're trying to do. More effort has to be done, the market has to come together, and more has to happen.
In terms of the market evolution, what do you think that your brand's initiative has been into the present ecosystem? I mean, something that you're looking up to or you have plans for the coming future?
Sure. As I said, the accelerator program is the first step. Now going forward, we've been working very closely with the National Health Authority, which is Ayushman Bharat, So we created the e-objects as a financial lever. What it does is that, when Ayushman Bharat together with IRDA, they go to the market and say, give the claim to me in the standard e-object format, then, I will be able to pay you in a shorter period of time. So the turnaround time is faster, which is in the interest of the hospitals, the providers, because then they will be able to sort of put the money to tinker and tweak their systems, and then they'll be able to send the claims in the standard format. So this is a sort of a financial lever for the market to change its behavior. And this is what we've been working on very closely with the NHA, and we've also been working with the private sector in terms of adopting it. So that's another step that we are trying to do.
Fair enough. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.